going to be afraid to let that color mix and be what it wants to be. Mix with the red. Maybe it's over here a little bit too. Just a little bit. And
Looks
then
more like an African site.
I'm going to clean my brush. There was another red that I didn't use yet either. Let's grab it. Is it that one there? Let's see what happens to that red. Oops. Let's wake it up a little bit more. It's still sleeping.
You mean hard?
Wow. It's a darker red.
Now it's a little too dark for my liking, so I'm going to come down here and just do this, because I know my sun is a bigger area, a larger area. There we go. And now it can let it seep up into the yellow.